Sanmar Solar is ACEN's biggest solar project to date. The project is located in the municipality of San Marcelino, Zambales. It sits on over 500-hectare unutilized land covered by lahar.
When we first visited this place, it was a vast, unutilized expanse of barren land. Built roads, any sort of infrastructure were nowhere to be seen. The community has not developed, and precisely because it is made up of lahar, not much vegetation has grown back, making it useless for agriculture.
Because most of this land is covered with lahar, what we wanted to do was to convert this vastness into a landmark renewable energy development that will greatly contribute to the Philippines' energy grid and fast-track our climate action targets. Sanmar Solar Farm is a unique project because aside from it being a big renewable energy project, it also includes a 14-kilometer transmission line and 6-kilometer of access road and bridges that we have to construct in order to enable this project.
The team decided to build a gas-insulated substation due to the environmental conditions posed by the lahar and the dust, and also to conserve the land area. The coordination with and cooperation of NGCP allowed us to build and complete the connection facilities on time. Building the connection facilities was challenging as it was completed on a very aggressive schedule to achieve the earliest possible delivery of the power from the plant. It also required extensive, heavy stakeholder engagement, not only with different government agencies, but also with the indigenous peoples living near the project site.
Dati po, 3 oras hanggang 5 oras ang paglalakad po ng ating mga katutubo mula po sa kanilang komunidad. Ngayon po, nandito po ang Sanmar Solar ay naging 1 o 2 oras na lang po ang pagbaba ng IP natin. Ang Sanmar Solar, ito po ay naging isang pribilehiyo at naging maayos dahil po gawan po kami ng access road, tulay para maihatid ang hanap buhay ng mga katutubo at madaling ibaba ang mga produkto papunta po ng bayan ng San Marcelino.
The access road is ACEN's gift to the San Marcelino community. We want our host communities to thrive as we expand and build our clean energy portfolio. We've created more than 3,600 jobs in the local communities scattered across our project sites and massive infrastructure development projects.
Ang Sanmar Solar Power Plant ay nakakatulong sa bayan ng San Marcelino dahil nakapagbigay po ng mga trabaho, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga IPs na nanggagaling sa Barangay Santa Fe, Barangay San Rafael at Barangay Aglao. At siyempre po, doon sa mga ibang lokal na residente dito sa bayan ng San Marcelino.
Leading this project comes with many challenges, but I have a young team rallying behind me that is equally passionate, dynamic, and aligned with ACEN's vision for sustainable future. We're already seeing a glimpse of the future we're building, and it inspires me and my team to carry on the torch in leading the energy transition. This is also a legacy that I want my younger team to continue as we expand our renewable energy portfolio. After all, the sustainable future we're creating is for them and the generations to come.